As a manufacturer of hexagonal wire mesh machines, we at Ute Machinery handle everything in-house, from equipment R&D and production to assembly and commissioning. The core drive components of our equipment are manufactured from high-strength materials and precision machined to ensure that the equipment maintains stable performance even under heavy loads and during prolonged operation, resulting in a low failure rate and extended maintenance intervals. The mesh is formed with high precision and features securely twisted edges, ensuring consistency in mass-produced products and effectively meeting customers' strict quality requirements. The equipment's user interface is simple and intuitive, and parameter settings are easy to configure, allowing even novice operators to get up to speed quickly. Our hexagonal wire mesh machines come in a wide range of models with varying production capacities, and we also offer customized production options. We can flexibly adjust the mesh size and wire specification to suit your specific application needs. Choosing Ute Machinery means choosing a reliable and sustainable production solution.